For locksmith service in Southfield, consider Great Lakes Security Hardware. No job too big or too small. Commercial, residential, automobile locksmith service. Emergency service is available during normal business hours, and for our account holders, we do offer emergency service after hours. If you'd like to become an account holder and find out how to have the security and a locksmith available when you need them, call us today, 888-855-6257. Great Lakes Security Hardware, locksmith service, thousands of blanks in stock. Visit us, GreatLakesSecurityHardware.com.